Right, what's on the agenda today? Pike is on the agenda today. We're going to go and catch some pike. I'm here with Rick Rhymes off The Walking Dead, and we're just off to go and meet my mate Stu, he's such a keen fisherman, he knows everything about fishing, so hopefully we'll have some pike to show you. We're not going to eat them today, but tomorrow morning might be a different matter, because me and Joe might be going to go and catch, kill and cook a pike in the woods for bonfire night, so stay tuned for that failure.
Trust me, when I landed that £16, needed it, really needed it.
There you go, look. Showing the ladies and gentlemen Stu's optimistic net. Well, it's vital, isn't it, for big rigs.
That is a Savage Gear foldable net.
Savage Gear foldable net.
This part over here, what we two guys are pink presents.
Oh,
That's mine.
look at the state of that. Let's have a look.
That is a.
I'd be scared of that if I was a fish.
That's called a Real Eel Golden Ambulance.
Wow. The Golden Ambulance.
Hey man, that's small, is that to what
Is
I've
it?
got? Oh yeah, yeah.
Right.
I've got one that's 3 times the size
We've
of that
underestimated things.
as well. I've caught 8, 9, 10 pound pike on that.
What are these gifts from Stewie?
You two can just, yeah, you can just use this.
We'll just use these.
You see the logo?
Yeah. That's massive.
It's enormous, man.
Right. Okay.
It's got to be one of the most stunning pike I've ever caught. It was only
Right.
£3.
Let's get rigged up, see if we can
Yeah, we need to get cracking.
pull some of these pike in before the sun goes down. Oh no! No, Stu! Wasting my battery on that. We didn't catch anything yesterday. You'll have seen Stu nearly landed a pike, but it got off at the last minute. We fished till it got dark and then just went to the alehouse and had a good slurp, and now me and Josie Fondy, there he is, come out to test our minerals.
Camp in some horrendous weather.
In horrendous weather. Nice, innit? Yeah. we had a break in the rain, it's just starting again now. And so we've got everything set up. I'll just show you. There's Joey D. Plenty of wood, it's just all dead oak, so it'll burn hot for us. And then we've got the DD multicam 3x3 above us, and also above the fire, so rain all you want. This is me, DD Superlight tarp again, DD frontline, and then inside got air pillow, Pipe Dream. It's the 3-season Alp Kit goose down bag, and then I've got a bivvy bag over the top of it as well, just to add a couple more degrees. I've got a liner inside it, and then yes, there you go. It's that time of year again, wool blanket time. And then Joey D's up there, aren't you? Hey? Upstairs. You're upstairs, mate. The upper echelons. And there's Joey D, look. Up here. Nice little setup he's got himself. Oh, look at him. Got his little beers out already. You've got a mint setup. I'm jealous of it. He's got a little rock here that he can put all his little pills on and ointments for all his many ailments. Temperature's dropping now, so we're gonna have the fire there, and just, as I say, we've only got a couple of these bad boys. No, literally bad co. What do you think, Joe? Hey, good, eh? Good. You have that yours there, look. This is a blonde ale. Love Over Gold is its name. Joey D's on a fruit beer, 4.5%. Summer breeze. It's not really fitting. For all you ale fiends out there, get on board it. The ring pull of joy. Oh, it smells good, man. Real good.
What is that one?
This is the Love Over Gold. It's like a blonde ale, and it's bad cur. If you don't know now, you know. On the nose, drive by. Oh, citrusy. That is very citrusy. Lemon sherbet. Food pairing. I'm not sure how I feel about all this food pairing. Food pair it with a kebab. Doner kebab.
Just doner meat.
Doner meat on its own. Doner meat and chips with cheese. A delicate companion for seafood salads and white meat dishes. Well, we've got
Seafood salad?
yeah, seafood. No, seafood.
What's a seafood salad?
Seafood, comma salad. Get yourself sat down. Take this seriously for.
I'm on camera. Am I on camera? Am I in shot?
A little taster. That's nice, that. Very nice.
Smells really good.
Yes. We were spoilt last night. We had quite a few beers last night, didn't we? Out in the pubs.
Quite bitter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dry.
Bitter, dry
Not
finish.
actually that sweet at all.
No. Citrusy. If you do get the chance to get it, the bad cur, I would recommend that. I wouldn't have it without fish and all that, but as 4.1%,
Have it with chips.
have it with chips. It's a good one just to have a few. Have a 6-pack, innit? Have a 6-pack of it after work and cry yourself to sleep. Because you're a booze fiend. Very good. What do you think? This is a good standard blonde ale. That's up there.
Yeah.
It's not a bad beer. I like it a lot. I'm going to give that 8.1.
Wow.
Good. What do you say about that? No, don't mix you, don't mingle. Drive by. Come on, we are pretentious little shitbags. Right. What? 8.1, yeah, for that.
Right, you've got to guess the food pairing.
8.1 for that. No, first.
Alright.
Agreed?
Yeah.
Just so I can.
Yeah.
Hey, 8.1. Do a dreamy one or something. Right, let me just.
Guess the food pairing.
All right, I'll have to smell it first. Give me that. Give me it dry. Oh, I'm getting banana in there. Or am I just getting warped by the colour of the tin?
Yeah.
Right, food pairing with that, I would have probably a corned beef and pickle sandwich.
Nearly.
Eh? Beef,
Curry
curry,
and seafood.
curried seafood. Who would have thought that? Let's have a taste.
Nice cod curry.
Yeah, let's have a taste of that.
Do you know what it tastes a little bit like? A little bit like when you have a lager and lime.
Lager and lime.
Like a lager top.
Lager top. You're not selling it. You're not selling it. It's better than that, isn't it? Better than the lager top. It certainly is a summer beer though, isn't it? It's certainly a summer breezy beer.
Which is, you know, perfect.
Perfect for bonfire night. Keep your mulled wine. We're up Pims tonight. Anyway, if that's 8.1, I like that a bit better.
Yeah.
Something about it.
8.5.
I agree with him. What do you know? 8.5. There you go. Woo! You don't get a second chance to make a first impression. Yeah? What are we saying? 3 each. Tournament head.
Tiny cans off in the distance.
Tiny
there.
cans. And these are ready for war. Oh, hi. Hey, how are you doing? Right. First impressions are everything. I'm going to go for the orange one first. And this is my first shot, unedited. You can't fake this stuff. Keep the catapult straight. Find you, this is my... Let's touch it in the same spot. Right, I'm going for the orange one. Come on! That's good, isn't it? Impressed?
Great shot, mate.
Great shot, great shot. I think this is the one now.
Almost too bright. Umbrella.
Should have brought the umbrella. I mean, shout out the Peak District, shout out the Lake District, shout out everything, but I'll have Yorkshire, me. Sausages on a stick, but from way back here, long sticks, look. Right, one of Joey D's all-time favourite beers. Boom. Sunshine IPA. As the rain splatters down on our tarp. Don't matter though. No, that's delicious. That's really good. That's the best one of the evening. There you go. That wins the Bonfire Night Award. Brass Castle Sunshine IPA. Cheers it. And then I'll 9.5 you. Boom. Right, I'm halfway down this bad boy. A very nice Biotolivioca. She's in a nice little Hessian sack, and it's absolutely delicious. I don't know what more to say about it, to be honest. I just wanted to give you a look. So, for 3.5 to 4 hours, we've been drinking. No, we've been cooking these.
That's warm in there, mate.
And what we've got is, in here, we've got root vegetables, carrots, parsnips, onions.
Sticky down there. Oh my.
Wow. We've got sweet potatoes, and then we've got...
Oh my word.
We've got 2 Henry cuts of lamb, which is just like, I don't know, a bit of shoulder. Look at that.
Oh, the smell.
Caramelised carrots, parsnips and onion. That looks good, man. And that's been cooking for 4 hours. Look at that. That is a well-rounded, balanced diet and healthy. Lamb, root vegetables and sweet potato. It's one of the best meals we've had out in it. It's the best.
It's one of the best meals I've ever had.
It's one of the best meals Joey D's ever had in his life.
Ever?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's bold. But it's true.
Yeah.
It is true. We've really campfire cooked tonight. The vegetables, the meat. Look at that carrot.
Blackened carrot is extraordinary.
Blackened 4-hour cooked carrot. Yes.
Sweet. Smoky. Slightly bitter.
Yeah.
Soft. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
You can't do that any better.
No, you can't. I agree. We never normally have dessert while we're out, so we've got a couple of marshmallows, courtesy of Joe's girlfriend. They might look like some ordinary marshmallows to you right now, but watch this. It's almost as big as my hand. They are comedy-sized pillows of things. Look at that. Yeah. Let's roast them up. The trick is with marshies is to do them slow. Morning, Glampa. This is my view this morning. Toasty warm last night. Comfy, just like being back in the womb. Tap City doesn't get bothered by the rain. I'm in here. Joe's out in the kitchen / cooking area. Looks like he's tussling us up a brew. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I look at the hammock as a giant sort of testicle bag, and as me as the lone sort of Lance Armstrong style bollock. Wasted on him. Right, let's get up, kids. Let's do this. What's your definition of bushcraft? Uncle Ray Mears. I know you watch my videos, Ray. Isn't he? Oh. Hey, Ray. I know you watch. Hey, Ray. I know you watch my videos, son. What do you think of this for a look? Here we go. This is a. I knocked up this impractical. It's like a massive spork. You can't even use it. I don't know. You just let your mind wander when you're whittling on of an evening after a bottle of vino. The food was the best food we've ever had on a campfire, wasn't it? I don't know what, the stars aligned, and the fact that we cooked it for 4 hours. You could sell that stuff in a restaurant. It was delicious. We also got a freshly killed mallard duck, but we left it on the fire and it's been there all night long, so that'll be so tender. But I don't know about anyone else, but I don't like eating duck for breakfast for some reason. Beggars can't be choosers, but why are we conditioned to like certain things for breakfast and not a duck? Or you never get up first thing on the morning and fancy a cheese and pickle sandwich, do you? Who knows? But the duck's in there anyway, still warm. We might have it for brunch. There we go, look. One good thing about when it rains, free water. That's where I was. Joey D was up there. This was our fireplace. This is where we were sat. That's just a bag of empty cans and a wine and litter and stuff, but we always leave that there because it's good luck. It's what Ray Mears would have wanted, so we'll leave that there for the next people to find. Ooh, let's have a quick look. It's a lovely day. It's come good in the end. We've only... There you go. A wet autumn camp. It was raining. We've dealt with the rain quite well there, I think, haven't we? Yeah. It hasn't been too bad. And as far as wild camps go, didn't get much filming done, but it was one of the best yet, wasn't it?
Certainly was.
Yeah, certainly was. Au revoir. Say au revoir, Joe.
Ciao.
Ciao for now. All you alcoholics out there who just don't like to put your pint down, glue it to your hand. That's what I'm saying. Innit?